Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is for all the girls who doesn't want to buy and carry so many products with them. So I have taken Maybelline lipstick in shade pink. 499 is the number, and today I'm going to tell you how I will use it on my face. Let's get started. I've just put the foundation on my face and putting the lipstick on my lips, little bit on my eyes, and on my lips. Don't put the extra on your nose, just take the remaining product from the cheeks for your nose. If you don't want that dark color on your nose. Look how pretty is it looking. Similarly for the eyes, I'm going to blend it with the soft fluffy brush. And for the lips, so this is my final look. Hope you like it. Bye.